All right, so we're out here in this area. It was built for the goats. We're gonna put this fencing.
Put this on there so they don't escape.
Yeah, because there's these little holes and they get to getting through there.
So here's Laura stapling away. Come on.
Gotta pop them in the face. My new staple gun, Ryobi. Yes, it is battery powered, cordless.
Come on, keep working.
Yeah, I need a commercial. I need a sponsor. Ryobi, hook me up.
Coming out pretty good.
Yeah, we're trying to.
Goats won't be able to stick their heads through there and get out.
I almost got my damn finger. Yeah, because they're mischievous. They can go anywhere somehow. So they're gonna have a nice open field. They can run around, jump around everywhere. They got a playground, a house. Pretty so cute. Yes, I love my tools. Look at Frankie go.
I gotta fix Laura's mistakes.
Wow! Seriously, right now? Any chance you get, huh, Frankie? Trying to be the star of the show.
It's letting it be known. Yeah, you should have listened to me.
Anyway, oh my God, if I could tell the stories of how many times I told you to listen to me, don't buy this, don't do that, would save a whole lot of time, homie.
Look how muddy this dude is. Yeah, look, I was trying to brush some of the mud off here.
Goodness gracious, buddy.
Damn, it's your first bath in like
6
6 months or something. Feels good, buddy? Looking better already, buddy.
Oh my God! This guy rolled in the mud yesterday, and he's insane. Look at all this mud! Oh my God! Hi. He loves rolling in the mud, but Jesus, this is bad. It's okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Good boy. No, I swear, I think you're moving now. Okay? It's your fault. How'd you roll mud? How'd you roll that mud? Beautiful. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. What do you do? You did a good boy.
All done bathing Sugar Ray. A lot cleaner.
It's not perfect, but it's okay, right?
Now he's just warming up. He was a little chilly.
He'll be all right.
Yeah. How you feel, buddy? You look good.
So fresh and so clean.
You look good.
Here's Frankie. I want to show you that backside. Here's Frankie picking Layla's hooves. Go ahead. He's been out in the mud. And she's so good about it. She just lets you. So pretty.
She's good.
Mm-hmm. My little mama. Look at that.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Okay. Well,
Maybe not.
sorry, you pushed it out too much.
Yeah, too far.